Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Trends. I'm Silverbacked, and we're looking at the ACH USD chart. In this video, I'm just going to go through the top 10 for the day, but I just want to slip this little one in here. This is just on the side. I shared this with my Substack community. Just if you're watching this on YouTube, this is delayed. Just be aware. If you want to get into our Substack community, there is a link down below, and you'll be able to get live trade updates separate from the top 10 that I do daily. They're just like, you know, just things I've picked out and I've identified as potential. We just got a bounce 5 minutes ago on the 4-hour chart, which is starting to respect this trend. You've got 1, 2, 3 touch points now, so you know it's probably good for, you know, one of these moves. So at least, so yeah, very hopeful on that one, and you can sort of see it's playing out on the chart as you're watching. So that's a nice little trade for you, just as a bit of an extra tip. And anyway, so get straight into the actual top 10 today is BTC. We're going to go to one day, and we're going to go to, so make sure I'm on the right, yeah, I'm on the right one, and go to Hikanashi. Let's go auto. Alright, okay, so we are Bitcoin. We did have a current short on Bitcoin. Let me just go to normal candles here. It's we're still getting red, but a lot of indecision. I've got the last closed candle, which just closes this one here, which has got a wick at the top, wick at the bottom. Prefer not to be in it with the wick on both ends. So I'm just going to go and investigate and see exactly what sort of profit or whatever we've got. Oh, this is that trade I've got running. Let me just go change it over to the top 10 account that I'm running on with the copy trading. Here we go. We'll check out, see how our BTC is going. Here we go. Okay, BTC. Okay, it is in profit by 3%. I'm going to actually close that until I get a firm direction on trend. I'm not interested in taking any risk. So that's BTC. So we're out of that. I'm going to mark that as, well, I'm going to mark that as yellow because it's a trade we're not in. Ethereum, again, still I would stay out of that. It's Doji. What's the Doji? Yeah. So wick on the top, wick on the bottom, but basically that means XRP. That means we're continuing to stay out of ETH. We're not in ETH at the moment. XRP is the new current short, so I'm going to go short XRP. Well, I don't think we're in it, so yeah, we're not. So I'll just come up here, just go XRP, and we're going to go. Account balance $11.50 would be 10% of that, so isolated 5, 11.5 is roughly what I want, about 10% of my account, because I'm only trading 10 pairs. I'll be opening a short, and then basically what I want to do is I want to go look at the most recent swing high, which is up here, and just basically just set my stop loss just outside that. So that is $2.85. If I click on this, there we go. Yeah, just want to copy that. $2.85. All right, so there we go. We're going short, and stop loss of $2.85. Open short, and boom, we are done. So that's as easy as that. And as I've been doing with all these other trades, is I'm going to come in here and because it is a short, I'm going to come over to here, go grab short position. Let me just expand this out a bit. Hang on 1 second. Just so you guys can see it really clearly as well. So go back to here, grab the short position measuring tool, and I just go into here. It doesn't seem like it's on the position. I think I got my magnet turned on. There we go. Turn it off. There we go. It's better. So that sort of like lets me know what candle we started the trade on. And you know, as we said, we want to go just outside the actual recent swing high, which is there. I thought I actually said that. It doesn't matter. I can do it now. Just do it like this, just outside the recent swing high. This is not working. Let me just do a quick refresh. If your charts ever do this, just do a quick refresh. It might log you out, log you back in again. Hopefully it doesn't do it to me. Alright. Okay, we've got a current position in XRP. So anyway, all I need to do is basically just set the stop loss just outside the swing high. So, and then basically make this a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let me just make this a little bit bigger, as I was started to do before. Alright, so I want to drag this down. I want to drag this down till this actually reads 2. And it gives me a 2-to-1 risk reward. Oh, come on. Make that a 2. Come on. There you go. Done. Alright, so that's our risk reward done. And then basically what we want to do is we want to just grab this stop loss, drag the tool up to there. So that's now we're covered in case we go outside the recent swing high. And then we'll grab the take profit and bring it down to there. So, whoop, done. So as we can see there, as the chart looks, is you know, if I was going to draw a path, it looks like this. So it's definitely a clear downtrend. So that's basically what I'm thinking is going to happen. I mean, that's what has been happening previously, since up here. So that's for the last 22 days and 20 hours. It's been doing that. So unless the trend changes on us, we're probably catching it right at the nice little point where it's pivoting, and it's come up on our charts. So that is the plan. Okay. So that's XRP done. So going into next, so that's our current short. BNB is a current short now, brand new current short. So I'm going short BNB. So, I just want to bring this up just to make sure I haven't got a position, and just basically go in and go BNB. Here we go. Make sure that this leverage is acceptable, not too high. Make sure it's isolated as usual, and then $11.50 would be 10% of that. And then we're going to go short. Well, I'll just create the position to go short, and then I can just come up onto my chart and set up the swing high, short stop loss. Bring the tool for the shorts. Oops, no, that's long. I want short. There's our current position. So my stop loss is there, and then I want to make this say 2. I want a 2-to-1. There we go. There we go. And then basically I've done the stop loss. I've dragged that up to there, and I'll take profit. I'm going to drag it down to there. So that's basically where we want to go. There we go. Just a little bit further down. Yeah. There we go. We're already in profit. There you go. So so that's a short on BNB. It looks like it's playing out right in front of us. Moving pretty fast. Let's have a look, see what the chart's doing. BNB. Just going to a smaller time frame. Full. 15 minutes. Oh yeah. So there's our pattern that we saw quite clearly. It was like down, up, down, up, down, up, and then that's the pivot point. And you can see where it actually it bounced. I suppose you could say bounced, and got rejected by this trend line here. So I think more of the 4 hours probably. Yeah, that's where we've been sort of going, and now we're dropping right off precipitously. Oh, I pronounced that really well. Yeah, so everything's looking down, and this is just more of a continuation. Hopefully, it'll all work out. So anyway, Sol. Want to go back to the daily. Okay, Sol is a definite short, and we are short actually on Sol. So if I go into here, yeah, I've got a current short on Sol. We're 54% in profit on that one. Happy to hold that still. So this is an example of these trades that I might don't know what the hell that was. One of these trades where we might look at holding our stop. Let's get in there and have a look at that. I wouldn't mind investigating how it's all positioned. I do like the idea of making no risk trades. Oh, there's our trade. Very small time frame. Let's go to an hour. So there we go. Let's see what's going on a little bit more now. Yeah, so that's definitely going our way. This is that one with 54% in profit. Yeah, well, I take profits down here, and we did actually move our stop loss already once. So what I might do is I might actually, so this is a guaranteed no loss trade. I might just move my stop a little bit further down, just a little bit, and put my take profit a little bit further down too. And basically, this is just all we're doing is we're manually trailing our stop and take profit. So now our stop loss is not a stop loss; it's actually a take profit because we can't lose now. We haven't. It was the same scenario yesterday when we looked at it, so that's going to just continue on making money. Now this is the thing: like if we keep on dropping off things that are starting to just not have clear trend or just going nowhere. So anything stagnant or not actually trending in the direction we picked when we placed our position, we're just gonna quit it, just get out of it. That's why I've got so many in yellow here, because I'm happy to not be in certain things unless they're trending. Doge is a current short, and it was already a current short, so this is a continuation. So let's have a look how Doge is going for us. There we go, Doge, it's 14% in profit. We'll go click on that and see how that's going as well. We might want to trail our stop there. It's pretty. Geez, our stop loss is way up there. We can probably bring. Let's go to. I just want to see what the daily looks like on this. Why have I not got the daily in here? It should be there. I never use it 8 hour or 6 hour. So give me the daily. Weekly and monthly I want. I never use 2 hours, so give me monthly. Yeah, thank you. Right. I thought I already saved that stuff. Anyway, so daily looks like this. Yeah, jeez. Alright, so that's, you can see where our stop loss and take profit is. It's definitely going in our direction that we want. As far as sort of like moving our stop, we can probably move our stop down to our stop loss down to break even. But I just want to give it enough room to move. I mean, if this comes around and goes up and down like this, and then ends up going down, I want that to happen. I just don't think there's enough room there to just move it up. I'm pretty like on the daily. I'm still confident between today and tomorrow. We just got another confirmation it is short for the next day. So let me just get that extra profit and buffer, and then I'll bring my stop loss closer. I can bring it closer a little bit, maybe close half that distance, and maybe just add that little bit extra onto here. Just so we are sort of reducing our risk as we go. Happy with that. I'm probably trailing myself a little bit too early. We could get stopped out. That's what I'm worried about, because we could have a good trade. You know what I mean? So Doge is still a short. ADAR is Doji. You'd stay out of that. TRX is you stay out of that one. This is the one where I was waiting for a bounce, wasn't I? Yeah, I was long from there. So let me just have a look and see at TRX. TRX was, we're waiting for it to come into profit. It's 2.2% in profit. There you go. So it bounced exactly where I was hoping it would. Good trade. So that's a current long. So Yeah, that is actually a current long, and it's moving into profit. So I'm going to basically just protect that trade, and just technically on the last closed candle I shouldn't be in it, but it is in profit. So all I want to do now is take the profit. Let me just see what I've been doing in the past. I mean, that is a doji. All right, well, let's be true to what we're doing. I mean, we're starting to get in profit though. Let me think. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll just get out of it, and I'll do it by this is where I'd normally put a trailing stop on, but I'll just move. I'll get rid of all this off the screen. I would say just get out of it, but it is a winning trade at the moment, so I'm just going to go halfway through those winnings there. If it continues going up, it hits the take profit, great. If not, at least I'm not going to lose any money on it. So this is like it's a halfway position. I should really close it, but it really is. I'm really closing it if it moves a centimetre against me. So there you go. There's always some sort of nuance, and that's why you can't just leave all this trading stuff to just bots. A real person using their own judgment and experience on the charts is always better. So it's good to build up your time in front of the charts, so you can make these little distinctions. Next we have, so that was TRX. Next we have Link we were staying out of. Yeah, still to Doji, I'd stay out of it. AVAX is now a new short, so there's a few new shorts there. If you look at what the percentages is, there's only one long and 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th new short. So that's not really bullish in the market, is it? So let's get this new AVAX short on. Let's make sure we're not in it anywhere else. No, cool. Let's go to AVAX. Sorry, I don't know why that's not start. Actually, just give you 1 second. Sorry, I just had to check. I thought AVAX, yes, it is in the top 10. Because I'm running this like an index, as we know. Alright, so we have AVAX there. We want to look at 11.6 is 10% of our portfolio. It's gone up a little bit while we've been doing this. 10.6. 11.6, sorry. Make that, say 5x leverage. Again, and also obviously make that isolated as well. So this is, I'm only risking $11.60, just to explain what I just did. I'm only risking $11.60. It's isolated to only this trade, so if this goes, there's a drawdown and we lose more than $11.60, it doesn't go into my account and start taking money out of there to keep the trade open. It just liquidates it, or actually in this case it will stop at my stop loss. Anyway, so we are going, as we said here prior, we got a new current short, and then basically the swing high will be, I probably should put it on the chart, the swing high would be up here, just where this recent swing high has been. I don't really need to take that because I can do it visually on the chart here. So we have, that's all, everything done. So go short into there. Okay, well that's all done. I'll just expand this out. So as we said, we want to go swing low at the recent, a stop loss I should say, at the recent swing high, and then the take profit will be, let's get a short measuring tool. Here's our entry. And then we basically just want to go down to where our stop loss is, and then I want this number here to be 2. So 2. There we go. And I'll just drag this take profit down to there. And away we go. Done. So there's that. Yeah. So that's basically it for today. We're sort of going okay, I think. If I go into here. I won't bother looking. We're still in negative in total for the vault, but if you guys want to not do all this and not learn all this and just follow, if you like what I'm doing, the sort of leverage I'm using, then and the fact I run with an index of only the top 10, and I'll just keep it only the top 10, highest market cap. Then there is a copy trade. If I just go over here, yeah, here we go. Just go to copy trading on BitUnex. The links for BitUnex will be down somewhere below. Just come in here and just pick a trader that you like, you know, and essentially, I mean, I haven't been trading that long in here, but if there's a few other traders that have. If you want to find me, I am Silver. Here we go. See how I'm going. Okay, well, I've just gone down. I took a bit of a hit in the first couple of days, and then I've been sort of digging myself out of it ever since. But just consistently moving along, I don't expect to attract a lot of people investing in my vault yet, but you can sort of see 55%, 2.5%, 13%, 1.2%, 0.5%, and you know, this is that's 40% of my portfolio, because I go in 10% lots. And then only 10% portion I'm losing 1.14, which is, I only just made that trade. So what was it, AVAX? Let's give a look at AVAX. There we go. Let's go to the 1 minute. It's moved against us immediately. Yeah, so it's moved from there to there. So that's the 1% probably. Yeah. So anyway, that's the way the cookie crumbles, but I'm looking in the higher time frame, so I'm looking at sort of this, and we are actually, no, it didn't move against us. We actually went short, didn't we? Yeah. So yeah, we're definitely short. We're definitely short. So probably the fees for trading are probably eating into this before it actually will show an actual net profit. I think this actually probably shows net profit, which is probably a better thing too, because you actually know when you're really in profit. But yeah, that is it for today, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Make sure, if you wanted to subscribe to the Substack, you will get. I'm going to feed you. You know, trades like. Where are we? I do have a separate account, which does have. Anyway, I can't get to it from here right now. Exit? No, I don't want to go exit. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Lead trade, silver. Yeah, anyway. I do have another account I'm running where I do have individual trades, which are a little bit higher leverage as well. TRX closed long. What's that about? TRX closed. Oh, that was the one I protected, and I thought if it moves against me, that's it, I'm out. So there you go, it moved against me, so we're out of TRX before I even close out the video. So there you go, that is the portfolio, and what I'll do is I'll go to TRX right now, and I'll go to daily, and I will mark this exactly how it should be, which is a doji, so that means stay out. I would have worked this out on the next video anyway. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video, and we'll see how we're going from there. We're slowly making back our gains, and moving all in the right direction. And don't forget, when I use 10% of my account, if my account keeps on getting bigger, my 10% gets bigger. So we're actually, our trades are increasing without increasing the leverage. So this is the plan. So I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for listening, and catch you later.